Everyone, how to videos here. Got a new unique DIY I think you're really gonna like. This involves a mobile backboard. Probably have one. These are really common pretty much anywhere and everywhere that aren't screwed or concreted or at least fixed into the ground. So one that has wheels here, you'll see. The one problem everyone experiences is when you shoot, the backboard tends to move all around, back and forth. As soon as you hit it, it's gonna either alter your shot, annoy you, or in turn, your kid's gonna get pissed off, quit, and you're not gonna have a fun day outside. So here's an example of just what happens when you do throw the ball against the backboard. Kind of see here, for example, but as soon as you hit it, it's not great. I mean, what gives, right? I mean, it should be fixed either in place, but I've got a new solution here. I've got some ground anchors. We're gonna use these to anchor behind the hoop, about over there-ish, and those will hold in place the ratchet straps. Second part of this equation is, got these Amazon the other day, use the ratchet straps, and I'm gonna run them from the ground anchors back here through, and this probably is available on most hoops, something of this caliber where it's fixed, it's not going anywhere, and you can rely on it to be at least something as more of an anchor on the backboard, basketball hoop. I mean, I'm assuming you could probably get snazzy and run it up to there, but the whole point is I did some experiments, and if you hold it and then you throw a basketball against the hoop, as you may think, it's not going to move around, and you may have a bit of envy or jealousy, and you see your neighbors like, oh great, they can shoot hoops and their kids don't get pissed off because the thing rattles all around. And it only amplifies when your kid gets older, shooting from pretty far away. And of course, you know, during a game of horse, this may be the difference between a win and a loss. So I'm gonna get started. Make sure your basketball hoop is level first. The second part of this, cannot emphasize enough, just shimmying it around on your driveway. Find the place that is entirely level, because even at a minimum, if you try to shake this thing back and forth, it doesn't move around as much. It was worse probably about 5 minutes ago when I had it 2 feet further back on the tail end of my driveway. So I'm going to get the anchors in the ground. I'll do a first person showing you how they go in to get my drill. And then the fun part's when we start to play with the ratchet strap and just see how this does. I think this is really going to make a world of difference, so stay tuned. So this kit comes with a drill bit attachment that will ensure these anchors make it into the ground. This is what kit's got. I just want to show everyone. This will go pretty deep, and then I will screw these on when I'm done, run the ratchet straps through there. So we're now ready to rock. I got all the tools that I need here. Got these eye hooks that will go in. So I cleared everything, and ideally I'm going to try to go right here at the edge and right there at the other edge and run that straight through that hook there, and it should keep everything in place. I'm excited to test this out, not only see does it work, but then does it withstand. I'll probably do like a 6-month review. You know, is there anything else I would change? Because yeah, I love this hoop and it's fun to shoot on, but at the same time it's a pain when it just rattles out and I just missed that shot, and you want to second guess yourself every single time. So all right, here goes. I'm going to try to see how this works. I'm going to get the drill bit, give it a whirl. All right. Yeah, that's going to take a whole lot of power. So, I don't know what's down there. Maybe it's some concrete or a root. I'm going to have to go further back. I'll try from here now. Let's do attempt number 2. Ready, set, and go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure you have a drill that can handle this. I think step 2 is changing your drill from standard kind of screwdriving element to one that runs constantly. I'm gonna try this and I'll keep running through all the settings, hoping that works. This is gonna hurt your hand, so I'm going to put the phone down and see how this goes. I'll probably have to use two hands, so wish me luck. Go a little bit further. Here we go. Oof, that hurts your hands and your wrist. Oh boy. That was something. Either broke or what. Drill's still working, but yeah, we've got lift off here. Let's put this eye hook in. It's not ideal. Probably want to go a little bit deeper. See what happens. Put my leg here to brace it, by the way. I see, it's running into trouble. The drill is, I guess, over torquing itself. All right, whatever. All right, next step, I am going to put the other one on the other side. I'll follow the same process, probably line it up here, put it about here or so, give or take. Kind of X marks my spot. And I'll put the phone up over here so you can see what I'm doing. You guys, a first-hand point of view. So I would recommend going backwards and forwards to not kill your wrist. This thing, it does encounter some stress, as you see here. Woo! Yeah, that was not happy. I'm gonna try this again. Yeah, it's over torqued. I don't even think the drill has enough power. I'll try to go number 2. I don't know what's going on here, but again, thought this would be easier. Woo! That is not fun. Trying to get it down there. Come on, baby. All right, looks like that's all I got in terms of the drill. Doesn't want to go any further, but I will now screw this one on. All right, perfect. That one moves around a bit. That one's in, but this one, most don't like the way it ended up. I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it a little bit. I'll move it further back. I need to make sure this thing is on tight. It's not working as of the moment. I'm just going to manually tighten at this point. See how deep I can get it. I think that's good, honestly. That's pretty deep. I mean, look, you can't even see it from there. That's not going anywhere. The other one was moving all around. No thanks. So that fits easy. And then the other one goes through here. So you've got eye hook 1, ratchet strap. That will tighten it. Now to run this through. There we go. Just like that. Did all the measuring beforehand. I think this should be sufficient. So look at that thing. Moving around. That thing just bouncing all around. No more. We're going to solve my DIY. All right, let's feed this in here. Go from there. So you know how ratchet straps work? You feed the, at least through the middle here initially. The top is where it came through. And then you get it to a point where it's tight, line's taut. And then you start ratcheting away. Just like that. All right. Okay. Let's go. It's ratcheting. Oh boy, that's legit. That is tight. I can keep on going. That's a lot of pressure. Look at that. And that one kind of moves around a bit, but this one doesn't. A bit disappointed in that one, to be honest. I may try to redo it, but let's do this. See if that's lifting the front off at all. I'm gonna go check. No, it's still there. Oh, it's pulled back. Look at that. That is awesome. So I think when you hit it, yeah, it doesn't go anywhere. Wow. Let's test this out right now. I'm gonna throw a ball against the backboard, and let's see what happens. Wow, I made a shot too. An added bonus. Let's try it again. Doesn't move. Whew. All right, I mean, I guess you could play around with the tension and the tightness. It hasn't affected the rim. It's not like the rim is way back. If you look at it from a distance, it pulled that part back, but it's still flat and the rim is still, I could put a level up there just to be certain, but I'm impressed. Give it a couple more. One more. That looks good. Very nice. Okay. Can't even see. It's so hot outside. All right, let's do this again, guys. Ready? Let's see it from a distance. It stops. It has that initial vibration and it just stops. That is great. That's what I wanted, because if I made those shots or I took them before, the ball would just bounce right out because things would be shaking around. It's impressive. I'm just trying to get it to shake at this point. Very nice. All right. Again, how-to videos showing you the work of this fantastic DIY. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. If you tried this, I have a lifetime hoop. You'll see here. I'm sure it works for a couple other brands because I did explore and see if they have something similar to ratchet it down. But this also gives you a level of added safety if your kids try to play on it and they want to try to tip it over. So, you know, I'll mention that as well. Again, make sure you're an adult trying this at home and you have a powerful drill ready to go through. It's about, I think, 14, 15 inches deep of dirt. So thanks, everyone. See if I can make a shot on the way out. Ready? Ah, bummer. All right. See you, everyone. Bye.